All right, I know it's only Tuesday, but I want to jump ahead a little bit in the forecast and talk about a late week storm system coming in that already has us issuing first alert weather conditions for Friday and Saturday. We're talking about widespread valley rain, high elevation mountain snow that could eventually lead to some dicey and slick travel over the Blues in northeast Oregon and the west central mountains here in Idaho in particular. And yes, it will have an impact on your outdoor plans, especially from Friday afternoon and evening through the morning hours of Saturday. So just make sure you plan for the elements. Keep an eye on the forecast with us ahead of time. You can do so by downloading the KTVB mobile app on your phone and KTVB Plus on your TV. We'll have a live stream of our weather going there so you can keep an eye on conditions for yourself as the system rolls in. And 511.idaho.gov here in Idaho or tripcheck.com in Oregon. Great way to keep an eye on those road conditions. And yes, Bronco Nation, this does mean we are anticipating cold, wet weather for the Mountain West Football Championship on the Blue on Friday. It'll be 43 degrees or so at that 6 p.m. kickoff. I am seeing light rain in the forecast at that time. This will be our coldest home game of the season, so make sure you are bundled up, have the hand warmers, the waterproof footwear so you can make it through all four quarters and cheer on our boys in blue. All right, let's talk about what's happening now in the short term. Still seeing that snow from Twin Falls eastward over into Pocatello and Idaho Falls. I'm not anticipating this will be any accumulating snow, or at least not much for the Magic Valley. Excuse me, but still, we could see a few little bursts of snow continuing for the next couple of hours as this system continues rolling off to the south and the east overnight tonight. So again, a few snowflakes through maybe 9 or 10 o'clock. This is for the Magic Valley. And then skies will slowly start to clear as we get into tomorrow, mostly overcast through the evening. Tomorrow in Boise, we will wake up to some clear skies, but potentially as those skies clear and winds start to die down tonight, that could lead to some fog development. So visibility could be an issue early on tomorrow. After that, we see lots of sunshine, a very crisp early December day. Winds will be lighter as well, though. So temperatures tomorrow, yes, on the cool side, but all in all should be a more enjoyable day than what we saw this afternoon with that brisk wind that was in place for most of our day. So high pressure off to the west keeps us dry and cool midweek, and then we just have a series of systems and a deep plume of moisture that will roll up and around that high pressure starting Thursday evening. We could see the rain and snow arriving in eastern Oregon and the central mountains, having the biggest impact on the Treasure Valley from Friday into Saturday. So enjoy the sunshine tomorrow and the quiet conditions because that does start changing later in the week. We'll see highs only around 37 for Twin Falls and Burley, 36 for Gooding and Jerome tomorrow. We'll wake up to temperatures around 20 for Sun Valley and Haley, warming to the mid-30s with mostly sunny skies. Fog likely for the west central mountains, highs just barely above freezing tomorrow. We'll climb to the low to mid-40s in the Treasure Valley, waking up to the mid-20s. Those clearing skies will allow temperatures to drop. It'll be very brisk early on tomorrow. Frosty wind chills from here on out. On Friday, as that system comes in, temperatures will actually warm, so snow levels will be high, and this will be a rain event for the lower elevations, but still a soggy Saturday coming our way, drying out Sunday, but you can see high temperatures climb to near 50 on Saturday, and that's where they stay in the Boise area through next Tuesday. We'll be right back with more of the news at 6.